In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a passkey from your Binance account using the desktop website version. Whether you're streamlining your security settings or simply doing some account maintenance, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. This is an important starting point because all the actions we'll be discussing take place within your secure account settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. You'll notice a profile icon, often represented by a small avatar, or your initials. Hover your mouse over this icon, as doing so will reveal additional options. Click on Account, and this should lead you to your account dashboard, where you have access to many different settings. Now that we're inside your account settings, we're going to access the security settings. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see various options listed in a sidebar. Go ahead and find Security and click on it. This section is crucial for managing all aspects of your account's safety measures. Within the security settings, you will find a section labeled Passkeys or sometimes Biometrics, depending on your account setup. This is where Binance stores all your active security methods related to passkeys. Take a moment to locate the specific passkey you wish to remove from your list. If you have multiple passkeys set up, make sure to identify the correct one to avoid accidentally removing the wrong passkey. Next, you'll see an option to Remove next to the passkey you want to delete. Go ahead and click on Remove. Now, Binance takes security very seriously, so you won't just be able to remove a passkey with a single click. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking you to confirm your decision. Click on Continue to move forward in the process. After confirming, you will need to verify your identity to ensure that it's really you requesting this change. This can be done using your existing passkey or another two-factor authentication method, such as an authenticator app or a text message code. Choose the method most convenient for you and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once you've successfully verified your identity, the passkey will be removed from your account. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the removal process was successful, giving you peace of mind that your account settings have been updated according to your preferences. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed a passkey from your Binance account using the desktop version of the site. Remember, maintaining or updating your security settings is a key part of keeping your account safe, so make sure to regularly review these settings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.